Hello, we're back with lollipops and story time. And today we are going to read the book Noah and the Animals. Very cool, by Fisher-Price Little People. All right, so we've got Noah and the Ark and all the different animals. Let's begin. Ooh, wow, look here. We can see Noah is building the ark. Yeah, he's building a very big boat called the ark. Wow. Okay, so let us see. All the animals are helping to make the ark. Here comes Zebra. What has Zebra got? A barrel. A barrel. Zebra is bringing a barrel. Oh, and what has the rabbit got? Carrots. Yummy, says the rabbit. Carrots to eat. All right. And what's here? Oh, there's a monkey. And what's the monkey got? Bananas. Very good. Bananas. How many bananas? 2. 2 bananas. Oh, and what has the tortoise got? Oh, some sacks of grain. Very clever. Sacks of grain. And who is this? Giraffe. Very good. Giraffe. And what is Giraffe doing? Wow, he's got paintbrushes and he's painting. Painting. Giraffe is painting. And what do we have in the basket? Apples. Very good. Apples. Apples in the basket. All right. Okay. Oh, what's next to zebra? Bread. Bread. And look, the parrots are helping. Zebra, parrots, and bread. Very good. And look here. Elephant is helping too. He's got a big plank. Wow. And what's behind here? Oh, another elephant. This elephant is bringing hay. Hay. For the animals to eat. And the cats. What are the cats doing? Oops! The cats knocked over the nails. Nails to hammer into the wood. Very clever. Oh, and the penguins. What are the penguins doing? They are holding the ladder. Ladder. Wow. Everyone is working hard to get the ark ready. And that's the end. Bye-bye for today.